Jai Hind and welcome to all students. Saraswati Shikshakunj Bugwala Gursar, Standard 2nd, subject EVS, English medium, date 17 July 2020, day Friday. Chapter number 6, Keeping Healthy and Clean, part 4. Now students, tell me, what did we learn in our previous videos? Yes, we learned about the hours of all three parts. We also learned about how to keep our body clean. There are some rules for keeping our body clean. In that we learned about take a bath every day, brush your teeth every day, right? Wear clean clothes. Okay. Then we learned about how to take care of your teeth. In that we learned brush your teeth every day. If you don't brush your teeth every day, then what will happen? Your teeth will get cavities. So brush your teeth every day. Then we learned about how to keep our environment clean. Okay. So in that, what we learned? Yes, we learned don't throw the garbage here or there. Okay. Keep your home clean. Okay. If your home is dirty, then what will happen? Germs, insects and rats will attract, and it will spread the disease. Students, if you want to keep your home clean, for that some rules are there. For example, if you go outside and then come back, you have to put out your shoes in the shoe rack. Okay. Then don't eat the food in bedroom. Then use the flush the water after using the toilet. Okay. So there are these are some rules to keep your home clean. We also learned how to keep your school clean. In that we learned don't throw the garbage here or there. Okay. Don't throw the bits of paper in your classroom. Okay. Use dustbin to sharpen your pencil. Okay. Flush the water after using toilet. Okay. So these are some simple rules to keep your school clean. Now students, let's learn in detail about chapter number 6, Keeping Healthy and Clean, part 4 with hard words. First hard word is B-E-A-C-H. B-E-A-C-H. Beach. Beach means S-A-N-D-Y. Sandy. S-H-O-R-E. Shore. Or sandy shore. Okay. Students, you can see here the picture of beach. Okay. There is a seashore. Okay. And this particular place is called beach. Okay. Okay. Number 2. G-A-R-B-A-G-E. Garbage. G-A-R-B-A-G-E. Garbage. Garbage means a waste, or we can say R-U-B-B-I-S-H, rubbish. Waste or rubbish that we throw in the dustbin. Okay. Now number 3. C-O-M-M-O-N, common. C-O-M-M-O-N, common. Common means G-E-N-E-R-A-L, general. Okay. Common means G-E-N-E-R-A-L, general. General means for everyone. Okay. Now number 4. S-C-R-I-B-B-L-E, scribble. S-C-R-I-B-B-L-E, L-E. Scribble. Scribble means to write or draw. Hurriedly, hurriedly, or Carelessly, carelessly. Okay, what is the meaning of scribble? Scribble means to write or draw hurriedly or carelessly. Now students, see this picture. What are they doing? Yes, they are scribble the wall. Means scribble, as I told you. Okay, write carelessly or hurriedly. So they are harming the public property. Now students, let's learn a small poem. Bits of paper. Bits of paper, bits of paper. You can see here the bits of paper spread everywhere. Okay, lying on the ground, lying on the ground. It is on the ground. Okay, make the place untidy. Make the place untidy. Means what we have to do? We have to pick all these bits of papers and throw in dustbin and make the place untidy. Pick them up. Pick them up. Pick them up and put it in the dustbin. Now students, see this picture. Okay, what is this picture about? Yes, this is a picture about public places. For example, fire station, post office, bank, police station, hospital, bus stand, railway station and airport. These all places are called public places. Okay, this is for all. This is for all. Everyone use these places. So what is our duty? We have to keep all places clean. To keep these all places clean, there are some rules. Okay, let's see. Simple rules to keep your surrounding clean. Okay. Roads, beaches, parks, buses, trains, post office and all public places are a part of the common environment. Means all the people use these places. For example, roads, beaches, parks, buses, trains, post office and all public places where all the people goes and do their work. Okay, these are the common environment. This is the part of our common environment. All this belong to us. Okay, all these places belong to us. It is our duty to keep these places clean. Okay, it is our duty to keep all these places clean. Now see this picture. This is the picture about road. So we have to keep this road clean. Okay, we don't have to throw garbage here or there on the road. Like that way, railway station, same. We don't have to throw anything on the railway station. Okay. So students, where do we have to throw the garbage? In the dustbin. You can see here in the picture. That is the dustbin. The girl is throwing the waste. Okay. Now let's learn. Throw garbage only in dustbin. For that, what we have to do? Throw garbage only in dustbins. Okay. Use dustbin to throw the garbage. Do not use the roadside as a toilet. Okay. This is a road. So do not use roadside. Okay. Roadside for toilet. Okay. Do not spit in public places. Okay. This boy is spitting on the public places. So we don't have to do that. Okay. Do not spit in public places. Do not scribble on public property. Okay, we don't have to scribble the public property. For example, if any heritage place is there, we do not have to write anything on that place. Okay, or we don't have to write carelessly or hurriedly. That is called scribble. So we don't have to harm the public property or damage them in any way. Some people what do? They are harming the public property by writing their names or scratching them. Okay, so we don't have to do that. Okay, we do not have to damage them in any way. Okay, what is this man doing? He is harming the public property. So we don't have to do that. Did you know, students? Plastic bags stop the drains. Okay, plastic bags stop the drains. Means wastewater is the wastewater drain is going. Okay, if plastic bags are there, then what will happen? It stops the drains. Okay, do not use plastic bags. Never use plastic bags. Okay, if you go in the market, okay, if your parents go in the market, ask them then that don't use plastic bags to bring anything. Okay, animals such as cows become sick when they eat these bags. Okay, when such animals like cows and other animals, they eat this type of bags, plastic bags, and then what happens? They will become sick. So don't use plastic bag. Never use. Now students, let's quick check. Public places are a part of the common environment. Listen again. Public places are a part of the common environment. As we learn in this picture, there are some public places here. Okay. So is it for all people? Yes. These places are for all people. So the sentence is public places are a part of the common environment. It is true. Number 2. We can spit in the public places. True or false? Can we spit in the public places? No. We do not have to damage or spoil the atmosphere of public places. So we can spit in the public places. That is the wrong sentence, means false. Number 3. We should throw garbage in dustbin. Where do we have to throw the garbage? Yes, the answer is DUSTBIN, dustbin. Okay, we should throw garbage in dustbin. That is the true sentence. Number 4. We must scribble on public property. Do we have to scribble on public property? No. We must not have to scribble on public property. So this is the wrong sentence. We don't have to scribble in public property. Means that is the false sentence. Now see here. Write any 2 names of public places. I showed you in our previous pictures. Okay. Banks, okay, hospital, beach. Okay, these all places are called public places. So bank, you can write bank. Hospital, you can write any name from this 8, as I showed you from that 8 names. Okay, so I will prefer bank and hospital. Okay, now students, tell me, what did we learn in part 4? Yes, we learned the hard words of part 4, like BACH, beach. Number 2, COMMON, common. Number 3, GARBAGE, garbage. Number 4, SCRIBBLE, scribble. We also learned the poem of bits of paper. Then we learned about the public places. Public places like bus stand, railway station, okay, hospitals, bank, beaches, right? So these all are public places. We also learned about the simple rules that how to keep your surrounding clean. Okay, we also learned the simple rules of how to keep your surrounding clean. So students, I hope you understood the whole part 4 chapter 6. Okay, if you have any query, if you have any doubt, then see the video once, twice, more than 2 times. Okay, then solve the exercise. Thank you.